स्टूडेंट, आज हम चेंज द वॉइस का अगला पार्ट पास्ट टेंस के बारे में देखने जा रहे हैं। उसमें सिंपल पास्ट टेंस टू कन्वर्ट एवी टू पीवी ए देखने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम उसका स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे। स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, देखो, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज वेयर प्लस पीपी प्लस बाय प्लस सेकंड, ए उसका स्ट्रक्चर है। इस स्ट्रक्चर के तहत हमको क्या करना है, सेंटेंस बनाना है। तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस देखते हैं, सी टॉट मी। ऐसा सेंटेंस है तो इधर में आया तो उसको इधर लेते समय हमको क्या, उसको आई में कन्वर्ट करना है। आई, बाद में हेल्पिंग वर्ब वॉज, बाद में टॉट का टॉट ही रहेगा, पीपी है वो, बाद में बाय और लास्ट में उसका सेकंड। तो आंसर क्या आया, आई वॉज टॉट बाय हर। राम ड्रीव अ पिक्चर, ए पिक्चर वॉज ड्रॉन बाय राम। यानी राम ड्रीव अ पिक्चर, ए सेकंड सेंटेंस है, इसका हमको क्या करना है, कन्वर्ट करना है ए वी टू पी वी में। ए पिक्चर ए ऑब्जेक्ट है, बाद में वॉज, बाद में पीपी, बाद में बाय और बाद में सेकंड। तो आंसर क्या आया, ए पिक्चर वॉज ड्रॉन बाय राम। आई कैरीड द टू मैंगोज, द टू मैंगोज वेयर कैरीड बाय मी। He opened the door. The door was opened by him. He won the match. The match was won by him. I sent him a money. A money was sent by me. Sita sang a song. A song was sung by Sita. She wrote a letter. A letter was written by her. She played games. Games were played by them. Shankar opened an account in the post office. An account opened in the post office by Shankar. The tortoise won the tug of war. The tug of war was won by tortoise. I ate a mango. A mango was eaten by me. He won a medal. A medal was won by him. He read a notice. A notice was read by him. A student answered the question. The questions were answered by students. People celebrated the festival. The festival was celebrated by the people. They took up rooms in the colony. In the colony was taken up rooms by them. We spoke good English. Good English was spoken by us. Rudra closed the door. The door was closed by Rudra. He cut the tree. The tree was cut by him. तो देखो नेक्स्ट क्या है, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस टू कन्वर्ट ए वी टू पी वी। अभी हमने सिंपल पास्ट देखा, अब हम क्या करने वाले, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस देखेंगे, उसको कन्वर्ट ए वी टू पी वी किस तरह से करते। तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करने वाले, ऑब्जेक्ट उसका स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे। ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वेयर प्लस बीइंग, उसमें बीइंग आता है, पीपी प्लस बाय प्लस सेकंड, ये उसमें इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो देखो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, बॉयज वेयर वॉचिंग द गेम. The game was being watched by boys. My brother was playing the ball. The ball was being played by my brother. The students were watching the zoo. The zoo was being watched by the students. The player was playing the game. The game was being played by the players. He was called the police. The police was being called by him. He was throw the table lamp. The table lamp was being thrown by her. Him, sorry, him, इधर him आता है। Him. We were reading the new story book. New story book was being read by us. We were seeing them. They were being seen by us. He was drinking tea and coffee. Tea and coffee were being drunk by him. You were learning English. English was being learned by us. The fort was offering a breathtaking view. ए ब्रीथ टेकिंग व्यू वॉज बीइंग ऑफर्ड बाय द फोर्ट। अभी पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस टू कन्वर्ट ए वी टू पी वी है। उसका स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे हम। ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस बीन प्लस पी पी प्लस बाय प्लस सेकेंड। इसमें हैड का इस्तेमाल करना है, बाद में बीन का इस्तेमाल करना है। तो देखो आंसर क्वेश्चन देखो। आई हैड सोल्ड माई न्यू बाइक। आई हैड सोल्ड माई न्यू बाइक। माई न्यू बाइक हैड बीन सोल्ड बाय मी। आई हैड sung a song. A song had been sung by me. I had carried the two mangoes. The two mangoes had been carried by me. We had refused new decision. New decision had been refused by us. I had spoken with my friends. My friends had been spoken by me. He had won the match. The match had been won by him. He had cut the onion. The onion had been cut by him. Ram had drawn a picture. A picture had been drawn by Ram. I had writing a letter. A letter had been written by me. You had finished your mail. Your mail had been finished by you. We had followed his advice. His advice had been followed by us. He had drunk the tree. The tree had been drunk by him. The people had cut the forest. The forest had been cut by the people. Nita had opened the sum boxes. The sum boxes had been opened by Nita. The sum boxes. The student had followed the teacher's order. The teacher's order had been followed by students. He had told many stories. Many stories had been told by him. She had taken up driving. Driving had been taken by her. She had taken up driving. Driving had been taken by her. देखो नेक्स्ट। दे हैड ब्रोकन द वॉल. द वॉल हैड बीन ब्रोकन बाय देम. दिस हैड कॉज्ड स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स. स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स हैड बीन कॉज्ड बाय दिस. आई हैड चेंज्ड द ड्रेस. द ड्रेस हैड बीन चेंज्ड बाय मी. I had taken a cup of tea. A cup of tea had been taken by me. यहाँ तक हमने क्या देखा है कि पास्ट टेंस देखा है। जो बचा है सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस के सिर्फ दो है, वो भी हम इसमें कन्वर्ट करेंगे। तो देखेंगे, कंटिन्यू करेंगे इसमें। सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस टू कन्वर्ट एवी टू पीवी। उसका सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे और स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे। ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस शैल विल प्लस बी प्लस पी प्लस बाय प्लस सेकंड, ए इसका स्ट्रक्चर है। अभी इधर सेंटेंस आया, आई विल प्ले क्रिकेट. क्रिकेट विल बी प्लेड बाय मी. क्रिकेट विल बी प्लेड बाय मी. गणपत विल टेक अ पेन. ए पेन विल बी टेकन बाय गणपत. ही विल गिव मी अ बुक. I will be given a book by him. They will tell me. They will tell us. We will be told by them. इधर us आया है, us का इधर हमने क्या किया, we किया है। We will be told by them. देखो नेक्स्ट, I will take the book. The book will be taken by me. We will play football. Football will be played by us. Rudra will watch the film. The film will be watched by Rudra. Ramesh will catch the ball. The ball will be caught by Ramesh. People will play the game. The game will be played by people. We will learn a lesson. A lesson will be learnt by him. Rudra will pass his 10th exam. 10th exam will be passed. 10th exam will be his passed by Rudra. Sagar will pay money. Money will be paid by Sagar. His father will held a responsible position with British Crown. A responsible position with the British Crown will be held by his father. They will use the prohibited colors. Prohibited colors will be used by them. I will pick up my phone. My phone will be picked up by me. Dhoni will hit the ball for a six. The ball will be hit for a six by Dhoni. They will make a new table. A new table will be made by them. Ram will make a kite. A kite will be made by Ram. He opened the door. The door will be opened by him. He will ask me. I will be asked by him. They will catch the ball. The ball will be caught by them. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस कन्वर्ट टू एवी टू पीवी ए लास्ट है। तो देखो ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस शैल हैव ऑब्लिक विल हैव प्लस बीन प्लस पीपी प्लस सेकंड, ये हमारा स्ट्रक्चर है। स्ट्रक्चर के तहत सेंटेंस देखो, माय फादर विल हैव सोल्ड मी अ न्यू शर्ट। सॉरी, इधर सोल्ड हो गया है, इधर शोल्ड नहीं, इधर बाउट है। हाँ देखो, माई फादर विल हैव बाउट मी अ न्यू शर्ट। तो इसका आंसर क्या है? ए न्यू शर्ट विल हैव बीन बाउट टू मी बाय माई फादर। ही विल हैव ड्रॉन अ पिक्चर। ए पिक्चर विल हैव बीन ड्रॉन बाय हिम। दे विल हैव ओपन द डोर। द डोर विल हैव बीन ओपनड बाय देम। She will have make a kite. A kite will have been made by her. I will have won the match. The match will have been won by me. I will have played a cricket. A cricket will have been played by me. They will have caught the ball. The ball will have been caught by them. She will have sung the song. The song will have been sung by her. The thief will have found a dropping branches a tree. A dropping branches of tree will have been found by the thief. Ram will have been eating a mango. A mango will have been eaten by Ram. I will have take the book. The book will have been taken by me. You will have met her. She will have been met by you. Seema will have called me. I will have been called by Seema. I will have taken the bag. A bag will have been taken by me. The people will have called the doctor. The doctor will have been called by the people. The doctor will have been called by the people. ये हमारा इधर तक चेन द वॉइस खत्म हुआ है।